Some tips for making your Small Nellie the Cow craft kit. After you have all of your pieces painted, you're going to want to glue them together. So to glue the head onto the body, the best thing you can do is put a ring of tacky glue on the head. Just set him on your body, making sure that you have him as centered as you'd like him, and that will take about 10 minutes to set up. Other things that you're going to glue on him, he's going to have 4 holes in his head here, and the 2 outer holes are going to be for his little cow ears, which you actually will want to bend a little bit before you glue them in. And to glue those in, you can either put a dab of tacky glue right into the holes, or you could put a little bit of tacky glue on the back of your ears. The next thing that you would want to glue in, you're also going to have these little clay horns. For those, I would just put a little bit of glue, and they're going to go on the 2 inner holes on your cow. So put a little bit of glue in there. You're going to stick them in. Personally, I normally put the horns kind of facing inwards, more like this. Just something to watch for. Maybe you will like them facing out, but that's up to you. Another thing you're going to be gluing is your cow nose. For that, you're going to put a ring of glue the whole way around on the head here, and then you're going to stick your nose right in there. That is also something you could either rubber band to help stay in, just because sometimes when you put them facing up, it's going to be a little tricky for that to stay in there. One of the last things you can glue is you're going to have your wood donut base. I recommend putting glue right around the bottom here and then sticking your base on, making sure your holes line up. That way your battery operated tea light is going to fit through the holes and light up the bottom of your gourd. So that's going to look like this, and you do not glue your battery operated tea light in.